Using cash for online casinos involves a specific process, but it's crucial to start with a strong warning. Please be aware that online gambling carries significant risks, including potential financial loss and addiction. It may also be restricted or illegal in your region. Always check your local laws and gamble responsibly. Now, if you choose to proceed, here is the general process for using cash on online casino platforms. First, you need to find an online casino that accepts cash as a payment method. You must be of legal age to register on both the casino platform and in cash. Once you have an account with an online casino, navigate to its cashier or deposit section. Select cash from the list of available payment options. You will be prompted to enter the amount you wish to deposit and then redirected to the cash payment gateway. You will need to log into your cash account to authorize the transaction, often by entering your MPIN. The funds should be credited to your casino account almost instantly, allowing you to start playing. For withdrawals, the process is similar. Go to the casino's withdrawal section, select cash, and enter the amount. The winnings will typically be transferred back to your cash wallet. Remember, always set strict limits for yourself and never gamble more than you can afford to lose. Please play responsibly.